Have you any pickleball, you say? But of course, at 18th Street and Haven Avenue, there's 11 outdoor courts and 5 pop-up courts during the summer season. It's fun, social, and friendly. The rules are simple and the game is easy for beginners to learn, but it can develop into a quick, fast-paced, competitive game for experienced players. It's a fun sport that combines many elements of tennis, badminton, and ping-pong. It's played both indoors or outdoors on a badminton-sized court and a slightly modified tennis net. Played with a paddle and a plastic ball with holes. Played as doubles or singles and can be enjoyed by all ages and skill levels. The hours of operation are 7:30 a.m. to sunset. There is an annual pass available for $60. There's a 10-play pass available for $40 and a weekly pass available for $15. Or you can roll the dice on a daily pass at $5. Pickleballs can be purchased at 18th Street. For more information, call 609-525-9307.